All right, Ian, you're back home. I'm going to call it you're back home. How does it feel actually playing back in the National Stadium with all the spectators that came out?
It was great. This is like my first time playing in the stadium, so it was really nice to see it packed and full and see the Jamaican spirit, everyone out here cheering on.
All right, so how would you summarize the fixtures between the first leg and the second leg?
I think they came with the same energy, both legs. I mean, this team has a lot of heart, a lot of passion. You can see all these kids are young, hungry, and it was good to see that from them.
Yeah, you mentioned being young and hungry. Did you think they got overawed by the experience that your team has and obviously having a great player like Lionel Messi, Luis Suarez, Sergio Busquets? Or do you think they held their own despite the fact that your team had such great players?
I think they definitely held their own. I mean, if anyone watched the game, they had chances. They showed a lot of character in both legs, but we came out on top.
All right, Ian, one last question for mine. That's mine. Representing Jamaica, that's something that a lot of fans have been hoping for. Anything on that?
Yeah, like I said before, I mean, I'm a dual citizen. I just came back from a major injury, so I'm just focused on my club career right now.
All right, thanks much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.